No, you didn't. Well, good morning, everybody. Yes, you did.
Yes, I did.
We're a minute early.
Uno más. Uno momento.
One more minute.
One more minute.
Oh.
No, we talk. Let's talk.
All right. So what's going
on in the market? Yesterday.
Let's say we had a major move in the market because of, first, today, current update. Stocks are higher, mortgage bonds are lower at the start of the day. That means rates went up a little bit. And this is from yesterday. This is today's, but this is what happened yesterday while we went up yesterday also. Fed President Bullard and Logan, along with Ray Dalio, have made comments that could impact the economy. Bullard leans towards a rate hike, while Logan believes data doesn't justify a pause and supports hiking again next month. The issue is they're thinking that because of the debt ceiling is going to cause a major problem. Right. And that's what our issue is. And so now the odds of a rate hike in June 14th have increased to 40%, but there's still a 60% chance it's not going to happen. Today, Powell is speaking, so that will have an influence on the market, of course, because of whatever he says.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's one of those things. They're really waiting on the GDP to come out and see what that is, what that says, because that'll show us if we're slowing or going in recession. Because if you look at the leading indicators, economic indicators, the Conference Board's leading economic indicator index fell by 0.6% in April, marking the third consecutive months of decline and an 8% drop year over year. What does that mean? It's a prediction of
recession.
Yeah, how contraction the economy activity is in a mild recession by mid-2023 based on their things. Historical data shows that recession is likely once the leading indicator index decline has signaled a recession of 100% of the time in the past. So we are going into recession.
Yeah, about time.
We're probably already there. That's why I say we got next week. We have new home sales on Tuesday, mortgage applications, Federal Reserve minutes on Wednesday, but Thursday is initial jobless claims and second quarter GDP. That will show us where we are with the numbers. Are we in second quarter? How can we get second quarter GDP when we're in the second quarter?
Doesn't second quarter end?
Yeah, so you got April, so March, it's a January, February, March is one quarter.
June.
So we're getting close.
Yeah.
I guess they're just
they're clairvoyant.
Yeah.
They're just we're gonna predict
where we are right now with that, and so that's going to show the difference. But again, don't freak out. Rates are going to move all over the place till we see some major numbers change, and it's probably going to be July the next major move downward in rates, and then again in September.
And when rates go down, there's still no inventory.
Right.
So when there's no inventory, guess what? Prices go up. Oh my gosh, prices are going up already.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So what do we do? We go to open houses. We find a home we love. We buy it.
We would get suck up on the payment, and then know that we will refinance you down the road.
Exactly.
Not that, and that we talked about this before. That is why the other reason why rates aren't as low as they should be is because of that. When someone buys that loan and service that loans, they're paying a premium for it, right? So if it's a $500,000 loan, it costs really $508,000 to $510,000 to originate that. The person's buying it is paying that to the people it's buying it from, going, here's your money. They need to hold it for a period of time or make some in order to make their money back.
Right.
If they think it's going to be paid off within a year or over 6 months to a year to 2 years, why would they buy that loan unless there's some premium up front that they're getting to service that loan?
Right.
And so that's why the rates aren't as low as they should be because of that. If we were lower on rates and we didn't think we're going to refinance, they weren't going to get better. Like I said, rates would be better than they are right now.
Yes. This is true.
True that.
Just listen to us.
They just don't.
They don't.
They just.
Some do. Many do.
Anything going on this weekend? Yeah, Porch Fest on Sunday.
Fest, yeah.
You
get on your bike and ride.
That's right.
Ching, 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 ching.
You get a DUI while you're on your bike.
Yeah. Well, you can.
I know.
Yeah.
Be careful out there.
A lot of other things you can do while you're drunk on your bike. Break your wrist, break your ankle.
Just put on some little, wheelies that you used to have on as a kid.
The
Those
trainers.
That way.
Adult trainers. I would love. You know what? That gives me an idea. I think that's a good marketing thing.
Yeah. Put your adult trainers on when you go drinking.
Yep. Be safe. Ride a bike.
Won't fall over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could you imagine how many people? Oh, that's the cops go. Oh, that guy, that lady, that person.
Or you just get those three-wheelers with the baskets and say, I'm just going shopping
Yeah.
for more beer
Yeah,
at
but
this other Porch Fest.
yeah, well, three-wheelers are only good if the wheels are on the front. The two wheels are on the front, then they're balanced. If they're the opposite way, that's why they got rid of the three-wheelers back in the 80s.
Yeah.
Remember those?
It was so easy to flip those.
Oh, so easy. I mean, come around a corner, I almost hit a deer on one of those. I'm not kidding, man. It was like,
that wouldn't have been a horrible thing.
well, and the problem is you go to turn.
Yeah.
Unlike a quad where it doesn't do the same thing.
True.
It
Well,
doesn't-
they flip the quads too.
Yeah, but not as easy.
Yeah.
Those are just like, whoop, I'm over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was talking. The big wheels were less difficult or more difficult to flip.
Yeah, because they're such low to the ground.
Yeah.
But-
have you seen the adult big wheels? Those are
Yeah, I
cool.
saw that. Yeah.
Now, I got an idea.
Just don't.
At Porch Fest, do the adult big wheel. You won't fall over. You might be laughed at a lot, or you might be pointed at and said, "You cool."
That's right.
But that should be enjoyable.
Yeah, that's Sunday. I'm sure it's going to be warm this weekend. So make sure if you
I
have a pool,
understand.
use it.
A lot more porches this year.
Oh, really?
That's what I understand. Someone told me there was a lot more porches. I probably need one or two.
Right.
Um,
I like going around finding the ones that have the taco trucks in front of them.
yeah. Which we still need to find. Hey, if anybody knows of a good taco truck that's not busy in June on the 15th, let us know.
Reach out to Annie. Annie knows everybody.
Annie knows everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna
No, you.
do
I
that.
asked you to handle it, please.
All right.
It's your, yeah. I mean, it's or we reach out to Tom Vanderbeek and find out who that lady was on that did his that last year. So we can reach that. Next Thursday we can figure that out.
Questions for us? Give us a call. If you don't have Ed's book yet, go to getedsbook.com and get the book. Write a review, like, or
Yeah, on your put a note on your thing today when
Yeah.
you get on the plane.
put it on
Please.
the flag.
It just you're not the only one. I had a lot of people buying there. It's like if it's that bad, still leave a review. Okay.
It's not bad. It's a good book. It's just, it's one. Okay, I gotta do one more thing.
Well, you got to go
You
in
always
under
push-
your purchase.
Yeah, and
You can't just go in there and
in
hit
there, write a
review.
review.
Yeah,
You go
yeah.
to the purchase and review the book.
Otherwise, it's not an authorized or a verified purchaser.
Yep. Well, good thing I got that purchase.
All right, everybody. Not much
Hey.
today.
Have a great week. And it is
Weekend.
Friday, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's Friday. Well, I mean, losing yesterday at the golf tournament at the Make Dreams Real Boyette. Make Dreams Real Golf Tournament, which used to be our tournament and then Carl Boyette took it over and made it huge.
Yeah.
And then we work it as Rotarians.
Even
It was-
losing that day working because you didn't play. You didn't lose yesterday at the tournament.
No, I didn't play in the tournament.
You lost
but
that day,
the
that
day,
work day.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because I had people bothering me. I had people calling me, not bothering me, but the issue is I couldn't get to them. You're so busy running around. It's like, I can't drive and talk at the same time.
It was hard to text and drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys.
It's so much easier on the road to do that.
It is. Make it a great week.
All right, make it a great one.
Bye.
Thanks for being here. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do here, just go and to our YouTube channel, subscribe. That's how you can
That'd be
support
cool.
us. Yep. Thank you. Make it a
Bye.
great day. Bye.